Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, we've got another lovely pen for you today. Now, this is one of the pens that I found recently from my pen sort of hunting travels, if you like. Now, I've been on a couple of travels. I've got a little bit of a haul together. This was one of them, but I'm doing it the opposite way around today. I'm going to show you this first, and then next couple of days we'll show you the pens that I actually found. So let's go straight into this gorgeous pen. Now, can you tell what it is from this box? Now, I've zoomed in slightly so we can't get the full box on, but nice and simple. If I turn it round for you, there you go. It speaks. It does what it says on the box. A Montblanc Meisterstuck fountain pen 146 special anniversary edition. So if we take the outer sleeve off, pop that to one side, and this is the box here. There you go. To the bottom, special anniversary edition, Montblanc to the very top there, and then we've got this little sort of plaque, if you like, which is telling us it's the 75 years of passion and soul Meisterstuck. Now, this pen, nice and simple. It was launched, well, as it says, as a special anniversary for Montblanc. And this particular model, as I say, is the 146 Legrand, celebrating the model from, I believe, from around about the 1924. This one was launched, I believe, circa 1999. So yeah, a special edition anniversary, but a gorgeous pen. First of all, let's take the box lid off. There's the pen. What we'll do, let's move that to one side if we can, because if I turn this over for you, there we go. That's what we've got inside. So what we've got is, we've got a CD. Who is it? Can't see. Placido. I can't pronounce it. There you go. You can read it yourselves. Okay, so we've got a lovely CD there. And then to the bottom here, we've got the service manual. And if we just open it up to the back, there we go. Fully stamped. Oh, there we go. There's the date as well. So 1999. So it's a fully stamped with a service manual that comes with the pen. Let's pop the CD back into place. Whoops a daisy. Let's take that over here. Okay, there's the pen. Let's take the pen out of the case. Pop that over here. And there we have it. What a gorgeous, handsome fountain pen. Nice and simple. As I say, it's the 146, so size-wise is, well, basically the same as a standard 146, but slightly different with a couple of features. Okay. It's a piston filler fountain pen, as you can see, in gorgeous condition. So there we have it. The Montblanc Meisterstuck 146 special anniversary edition. Okay, now as you can see, it's got this standard Montblanc band, if you like, here. And what we'll do, let's try and show it to you. Well, let's do a little bit of a close-up. Okay, and there we have the close-up. So it says Montblanc Meisterstuck. While we're on the close-up, there's the clip. You can see standard Montblanc clip. And this one, again, slightly different in that to the top it's got this extra band, and around the band it reads forgot what it says. Oh yes, it says 75 years of passion and soul. And what you'll notice in the word passion, where the O is, it's actually encrusted with a diamond. There you can see it glittering away. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and obviously to the very top we've got the snow cap, if you like, to the very top there. Okay, so let's go back to the normal mode. So there we had a close-up of the top of the cap and the cap bands there. So let's take the cap off for you. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles, in gorgeous condition. I don't see any remnants of ink, so I'm not so sure if it's actually been used. It's in beautiful condition, and yeah, we'll be looking for a new home for this very handsome pen indeed. You can see it's got the ink view sort of window there just below the threads. It's got the standard Montblanc section there. We've got the feed underneath, as you can see there. Okay, again, nice and clean. And then what we'll do, once again, let's have a close-up of the nib. Okay, so there's the nib for you. A little bit closer, as you can see there. It's a two-tone nib, and as you can see, because it's a special edition, it's also got the 75 years of passion and soul. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so once again, let's go back to the pen. And there we have it. As we, well, I didn't mention, for you people that know or don't know, it's actually a piston filler fountain pen, which means that we simply turn the knob to the end there. But all in all, a gorgeous, handsome fountain pen. So I'm going to keep this quite short. The Montblanc Meisterstuck fountain pen, the 146, and this one being the 75 years of passion and soul special edition. So I hope you've all enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, well, a lot of people now are not leaving comments for some reason. I'm getting less and less comments, so please leave a comment below. Don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up as well, if you will, please. And don't forget to subscribe. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this lovely, handsome pen. I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.